What if you could create a completely realistic AI influencer in minutes for free? We're showing you exactly how, using cutting-edge tools that don't cost a penny. AI influencers are revolutionizing content creation, marketing, and personal branding. Unlike traditional influencers, they're customizable, always available, and cost-effective. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or artist, creating hyper-realistic AI personas opens endless possibilities for projects, portfolios, and creative exploration. Start with Midjourney's free trial or Leonardo AI for stunning visuals. For realistic faces, try This Person Does Not Exist or Face AI. Runway offers AI video features. Combine these tools strategically, generate face images, then use detailed descriptors, professional headshot, warm lighting, studio setting, authentic expression, 8K quality. Include ethnicity, age, style preferences. Avoid generic terms. Test multiple variations. Combine tools strategically. Generate base image, then enhance with face refinement tools. Consistency matters. Keep detailed notes on successful parameters for your character. Transform your AI influencer into moving content. Use DID for lip sync videos, Synthesia for presentations, or Hygen for full body animations. Age and voice with 11 Labs. Layer everything in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. The result? A complete, lifelike AI influencer ready for social media, marketing campaigns, or creative projects, entirely free. Love this? Subscribe for weekly AI creative guides, hit